Wise vs Paxum, which is the best for you. Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a comparison review between Wise and Paxum. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And now to create an account on Paxum and on Wise, you can use the link on the description, in which by using the links, you may also get some discounts or rewards on sign up. So basically, Wise and Paxum are two online payment platforms that enables users to transfer money internationally regardless of the currency or country involved. So Wise is a service that aims to provide affordability and transparency by charging fees based on the mid exchange rate, in which it prides itself on offering secure transfers, typically completing within 1 to 2 business days. And with support for more than 50 currencies across 80 countries, it offers a range of options. And additionally, Wise boasts helpful customer support through phone, email, or chat, which has garnered ratings and positive feedback from customers on Trustpilot. And aside from that, Wise offers a user-friendly online platform and mobile app that allows users to send money, receive money, multi-currency account, borderless banking, and many more. So basically, this platform aims to simplify and streamline international money transfer by offering competitive exchange rates and transparent fees. And that is the overview of Wise. On the other hand, Paxum.com is a costlier option with less favorable features, in which it charges fees, offer less competitive exchange rates compared to Wise, and also it transfers through Paxum may take longer, up to 5 business days. Although it supports over 30 currencies in around 200 countries, the customer support of it is only limited, in which it is only email that is applicable. And aside from that, it also tends to be slow and unhelpful. And unfortunately, this has resulted in ratings and negative feedback from customers on Trustpilot. And now, in terms of the feature that both platforms offer, Paxum offer a higher fees and less favorable exchange rates. And aside from that, in terms of speed, it offers slower transfers, in which sometimes taking up to 5 business days, which is actually not good if you want your money urgently. While on the other hand, Wise offer a low and transparent fees, which is based on the mid-market exchange rate. And in terms of the speed of transfer, it offers fast and secure transfers, which is usually within 1 to 2 business days, which is also better than the Paxum offer in terms of the speed of transfer. And now, in terms of their coverage, Wise offer supports over 50 currencies in 80 countries, while on the other hand, Paxum offers coverage supports over 30 currencies and 200 countries. However, in terms of their customer service and reviews feature, Paxum offer a customer service slow and unhelpful via email only. And also, Paxum has a low ratings and negative feedback from customers on Trustpilot. However, on the other hand, Paxum places importance on maintaining security protocols, since they utilize software to authenticate customer identities and require customers to submit specific documents for identity verification. And additionally, the platform provides a range of account options tailored to both corporate clients, including accounts, savings accounts, and specialized accounts for specific purpose. While on the other hand, Wise customer service is very responsive and helpful via phone, email, or chat. And in terms of the reviews, they get a high ratings and positive feedback from customers on Trustpilot. And aside from that, some other feature that offered by Wise is a multi-currency account, since with Wise, users can conveniently hold and manage currencies in their accounts, making it effortless to send and receive payments. And aside from that, it also offers a robust security measures to safeguard user data and transactions. Wise implements security protocols such as SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. And of course, Wise also offers a user-friendly and cost-effective solution for international money transfers, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. And now moving on, the next thing that we need to do is to compare the pricing option that both platforms offer. By simply clicking this pricing option on the top panel, you will be directed on this page, in which below it will show you some of the fees that offer on Wise. So the pricing options for Wise and Paxum depend on the factors such as transfer amount, currency, and destination. But generally speaking, Wise tends to have fees that are more transparent compared to Paxum. Since Paxum charges a flat transfer fee of $5 along with a 2.75% markup on the exchange rate, in which the exchange rate used is typically based on the interbank rate, which tends to be lower than mid-market rate. While on the other hand, when using Wise, they charge a fee for transfers based on a mid-exchange rate which is considered fair and accurate, since the actual transfer fee may vary depending on factors like payment method, currency pair, and transfer amount. So basically, in terms of pricing option, it appears that Wise offers favorable pricing options compared to Paxum. However, it is also important to note that pricing can still vary based on factors such as transfer amount, currency pairings, and destination. And now, in terms of the pros and cons of both platforms, the pros of using Paxum is that it supports over 200 countries, which is also a good thing. However, the cons of using Paxum is that it offers higher fees and less favorable exchange rates, and aside from that, it also offers lower transfers, slow and unhelpful customer support, and it has low ratings and negative feedback from customers. While on the other hand, the pros of using Wise platform is that it offers low and transparent fees, fast and secure transfers, responsive and helpful customer support, and it also has high ratings and positive feedback from customers. However, the only cons of using Wise is that it only supports 80 countries. But the question is, which platform should you use? Well, if you're looking to minimize fees and exchange rate costs, and you also want to conduct secure money transfers, receive assistance from responsive customer support, and if you want a platform that has a positive and satisfying overall experience, then Wise could be a right choice for you. On the other hand, if you need to send money to more than 200 countries, and you also prefer using your credit card to fund your account, or you are also involved in the adult industry or other high-risk sectors, then this platform, Paxum, may be better suit your needs. And now to conclude, Wise and Paxum are payment platforms that enables users to send and receive money across currencies and countries. However, there are distinctions between the two in terms of fees, speed, coverage, customer service, and reviews. And after comparing these aspects, it appears that Wise emerges as the favorable option for most online payment requirements, since Wise offers fees at a rate ensures faster and secure transfers, provides responsive and helpful customer support, and has received high ratings along with positive feedback from its user. On the other hand, Paxum tends to charge fees with less favorable exchange rates while offering slower transfers. Additionally, their customer support is often described as slow and unhelpful by customers who have also given them ratings along with feedback. However, it is also worth mentioning that Paxum does have an advantage over Wise in terms of supporting countries. However, this may not be a factor for many users considering that Wise already support over 50 currencies across 80 countries. So consequently, based on this comparison analysis, I conclude that Wise stands as the choice over Paxum for payments. So that is just a comparison review between Wise and Paxum. Thank you.